Hello everybody, welcome back. It's that time again for the top 50 crypto TA. Yeah, and today we're doing 10 coins, and those 10 coins will be from number 32 VeChain all the way up to Elrond at 40. So without further ado, let's go. Elrond against BTC. Yes sir, we noticed a 1 week shooting star on Elrond against BTC. The last time we had a shooting star over here, right? Can you see this shooting star? How much did we fall? We fell 62%. We had a gigantic shooting star here as well. How much did we fall? 87%. Yeah, so we have a shooting star here. How much are we gonna fall? We're already down 47. I think that there's still more to go. I don't know how much more, but things just aren't really looking that good for Elrond against BTC. I feel like there's going to be much more downside to come for Elrond against BTC. Could I be wrong? Could we see a new all-time high? Yeah, sure, of course, but not until we have a proper correction, and after the correction ends, then only will we see some sort of a rally. And even if we do rally, I don't know what kind of a rally we're going to get. Is this going to be like a dead cat bounce and then we continue lower, or is this going to be a very strong rally close to the all-time high? Yes? No? Not too sure. Right now we are in a downtrend and things just aren't really looking that good for Elrond against BTC, although we are still above the skinny pink line. So if anything, we would still be expecting more bullishness for Elrond against BTC until we cross and slice through the skinny pink line, staying under it, maybe forming a head and shoulders with a right shoulder right under the skinny pink line. Then yeah, more likely than not, there's going to be much more downside. But until that happens, we will remain bias bullish for Elrond against BTC. Elrond against USDT. Here we are. It's not good. It's not good, boys and girls. On the weekly, we see the same thing as well. A shooting star, and look at where we are. Yeah, things are very bearish for Elrond. If anything, this looks to me like a left shoulder, head, a right shoulder in the making. Once the right shoulder completes, I think we're going to be slicing through the skinny pink line. Sadly, I think that's the case. Yeah, there could be some whale shenanigans. We could still see a rally, taking out the highs over here, right? We might get something else, like maybe a descending triangle instead, right, before slicing through the skinny pink line. So yeah, the possibilities still remain in terms of the kind of bearish reversal we're going to get. All we know is that there's a very nice support line over here. Once this support line breaks, more likely than not, there is a potential for much more downside for Elrond against USDT. Potentially, we could be heading back towards double-digit Elrond. Right now, we're at 253. So yeah, I feel that preparations are already being made for double-digit Elrond. I feel like that's what's going to happen, but yeah, it's not going to be immediate. Like I was saying, potentially we could be seeing whale shenanigans, and yeah, the whales could be building proper mountain ranges first before slicing much lower. Yeah, slicing towards double-digit Elrond. So that is why when things go into overbought territory, right? For example, on the RSI, it's very important to secure your profits, because you never know how much higher things are going to go. And if things start turning bad, then yeah, you'll be glad to have sold some of your Elrond at the top, right? So yeah, there you go. That's our conclusion for Elrond